Hey, boys and girls, welcome to Unit 3, Week 2 of our word analysis, our spelling unit for Adelina's Whales. Let's go ahead and get started. This week we are going to be talking about our skill, Greek roots this time. Now, when we are learning to decode words and to use word analysis skills, we need to know that a root is a word or word part from which other words can be formed. And we kind of talked about that a little bit when we did roots last week, because we had some Latin roots that we focused on. And we did an excellent job. So proud of you. And those were pretty tough. So this week we're going to focus on 3 Greek roots, and they are bio. These are going to be these are going to be roots that you are familiar with. I know. Bio and phone and graph, and to determine the meanings of the words that are formed from them. All right. So let's begin. Here's your list of words for this week: biology, biography, symphony, autograph, biologist, biome, telephone, graphic, graph, and photograph. So I think all of those words you are pretty familiar with. So I was pretty excited when I learned that we were going to be studying these. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we're going to break these down. Take a look and follow along with me. And it's okay. We're going to be using a dictionary, so you can use that as a tool. Not a problem. Nothing wrong with that. Let's jump in. So day 1, here we go with our Greek roots. So this week we're going to be using common affixes and Greek roots as clues to figure out the meaning of our spelling words. Because we have to know meaning, not only spelling, we've got to increase our vocabulary. Word knowledge is essential to go along with our reading skills. So we're going to begin this lesson by first determining, we got to know what these Greek roots mean, okay? And so we have to know what they mean so that we know how they fit together with the words that we're going to be spelling this week. So bio, maybe you've heard this before. You've talked about biomes. Maybe you've heard about biology. Maybe you've heard about biologist. But bio means life. So when you see that, you should think of life. All right. Moving on, graph. You should see this. This root means write or written. Okay. An autograph. We're going to get to that one. And phone or phone means sound. I don't really have that Greek accent there, but it means sound. And you've seen that one in different word parts. So now we're going to practice this, breaking them down with a couple of our spelling words. So let's look at these two first. We're going to start out with biology and biologist. All right. So we're going to begin by examining the word for its parts. We got to see how we can break it down first. We got to see what we know about it. It's like we're dissecting it. We're picking it apart. So we're going to look and find out what its Greek root is. Well, first of all, I see in biology, there's my Greek root right there. So I'm going to underline bio. All right. And I know from my definitions before, I underlined this root bio. I can also see this, normally we'll say O-L-O-G-Y. It's familiar to me. And I can also break down that ending because most sciences that you will study, you'll see that in them, like biology, oceanology, those type things. So we'll get to that, but that's another way that we can break it down, not only with just the bio, but the other part as well. Now, using a dictionary, I would have looked up this meaning by now. I would have used my root. I know it means life. I know that biology is the study of something, okay? And so if I look at biology in my dictionary, I know that it's going to be the study of living things or organisms. So studying biology can be studying the life of people, cells, single cell things, animal cells, plant cells, anything like that. All right. So we are going to hold off right there. I'm going to let you absorb that one because that one was a big one. I wanted to start off with that one first. You did a great job on that. We are going to look at biologist tomorrow. Absorb. I will see you back here tomorrow. We will tackle a few more. Great job, and I will see you then. Thank you. Bye-bye, guys.